TVMS, it's got such great history, and it's got a sense of belonging. It's part of the community.
As well as it developing their musical ear, it will help them with their listening skills. It will also help with attention. It will help with school readiness, with beat and with reading skills as well, because the beat and the rhyme and the rhythm and constructing sentences, the idea of a phrase in music when you sing.
I think the impact that it has is that no matter their background, they can all come and share in their enjoyment of music and share that with one another and gain confidence and friendship and sort of a social aspect of it as well as a musical aspect.
It's so good for the inner being. So these young people can go away, the world's in turmoil around them, but then they can go and put themselves in a place, pick up an instrument, play that instrument, and lose themselves for an hour or so.
You just do so many concerts in different places, like places that I never thought that I would sing, like Disneyland, the Albert Hall.
Some of the world's leading opera singers performing together alongside hundreds of school children. These concerts are about breaking down barriers, showing the young children that opera is for everyone.
I think the big hope is that to inspire children, to make them realise that opera is not a scary thing. Anybody can sing opera, and to have all the children involved and doing the drama as well and everything that goes along with it. I think it's really, really key that they see this as achievable for them in the future.
Around 1,500 children have been involved in all the performances. The final show was the culmination of weeks of rehearsals. So what's it been like for the children?
Very fun and exciting, really interesting of getting to sing really high and really low. And especially getting to see a few people from the Royal Opera House.
I've enjoyed all the actions. Singing is, it's just really fun.
This is a big service, and it's got a lot of equipment. We've got over 5,000 instruments and a massive music library, and it's a resource that's in the North East and it's in Stockton-on-Tees, and it needs to be accessed.